Good evening, everyone. Live on location at the Save on Foods Mall. It is 15 degrees out. It did not get any higher than that. And you're looking at the George Pringle School. It says elementary school on there, but it's going to be a high school. It was a high school, and then they turned it into an elementary school. Anyways, there you go, different views from today. They're building houses up on the hill up there. And yeah, West Bank is growing, or West Kelowna is growing exponentially. Houses everywhere. There's supposed to be a pub up there too. And Lighthouse Winery, I believe, is supposed to go there. But we will see what happens. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Wednesday. And around the liquor store. There you go. Busy. Well, not right now. Oh, everyone left. Dinner time. Hey, peace out.